Oh, right. This is in regards to the quote unquote upgrade for the Celica All Track. You can see I bought this on eBay and it arrived pretty quickly. It's a very nice unit compared to my spare All Track rack, which is the crusty one. And supposedly this is an upgrade, a bolt-on quicker ratio rack from the AE 82 Corolla. So first thing I started doing was measuring the bushings. I didn't really have a picture, but I have a picture of the bushing measurements. Excuse my shitty Harbor Freight caliper. That is a 49 versus a 50 on that particular bushing. And here is the other mounting position. It's got a different style. Again, excuse my crappy Harbor Freight, but that's a 49 there. But yeah, you can see physically the difference in the bushing size, but you know, that's not a deal breaker, so I kept on trucking here. And
This is the
okay, so
GT4 rack.
here
This is
I am now testing
right now,
the
all the way this way.
rotational lock-to-lock on the GT4 or All-Track rack.
One,
And I just referenced where you guys
two,
start and noting
and
that
a half.
how many turns it takes.
All the
So
two
next you can see
quarters.
I have the Corolla rack.
The
I'm doing
Corolla
the exact
rack,
same
full
thing,
lock
lock to
this
lock,
way.
using my vice grips.
One,
So
two,
safe to say this is 100%
three,
a bogus upgrade. Um, Perhaps this
three
is
and a
a
quarter.
right-hand versus left-hand drive thing. You're
Okay,
upmarket.
I'm measuring.
And this
using
last clip, I
this
am
outer tie
checking
rod.
the,
Not the same place, but it
I guess
doesn't
we
really
call it
matter.
the delta
Just
of the move points
figuring
between
out
the two
actual
racks.
travel distance.
And
So we're
they
at
are
full lock.
identical. Can save you the
Now
whole
we're
rest of the
going
video. This is a bogus
all over,
upgrade.
which is whatever.
Why there is so much talk about
Subtle,
this
so the distance
being a
is too much.
faster rack, I do not understand. Okay,
Roughly,
maybe
we're
it's some
here.
sort of market difference. But as far as I'm concerned, this is complete rumor garbage, as usual. I've run into this many times on forums over the years, and because nobody has any other information, I always have to figure it out myself. And we find that it is a complete waste of your time and money. In this case, mine.